A good reminder from Brandon now that it is going to get chilly. It is going to get chilly.
Yeah, probably using the jackets today, but even more so tomorrow with those wind chills down into the 30s because we have stronger winds on the way overnight tonight through tomorrow, especially in the morning. So let's talk about that wind. We already saw some wind gusts today, just the preview of what's to come. So the wind advisory begins this evening at 7, goes all the way through early tomorrow afternoon. Now gusts could be upwards of 45 to 50 miles per hour. So make sure to secure all of your fall and Halloween decorations. Less wind in our forecast later this week, and it looks pretty good for Halloween itself for trick-or-treating. So that wind advisory from the National Weather Service all across the entire 2 News forecast area. It's because this low pressure center is coming in from the north and crossing so close to us. So it's really going to kick up those wind gusts overnight tonight through tomorrow on your Wednesday as that low gets further away from us, relaxing the winds, especially by tomorrow night. You can see on dual Doppler a few leftover rain showers, no lightning strikes, going down just a little bit tighter. Heavier shower between Shakota and Oktaha just to the east of 69 and crossing right on through Eufaula, and a little bit of clearing working into the Tulsa metro area right now. Some pretty colors out there. Live on our Wade's RV weather camera network earlier today, the official daytime high was 61 degrees. Bartlesville is reporting 53, 57 for our viewers in Muskogee. Future track radar in the cloud cover overnight tonight. That cloud cover will fill back in from the north. Chance for a few rain showers. Now the best chance for more rain showers tonight through tomorrow is going to be in throughout far eastern Oklahoma. Tomorrow on your Wednesday, mostly cloudy skies, very windy conditions, especially for the first part of the day all the way through the early afternoon. And then again, eventually those winds will relax by later tomorrow night and for the rest of the week. Future track rainfall all the way through tomorrow. The most amount of additional rain will be across our far eastern counties. Those gusts later tonight and overnight upwards of 45 miles per hour. So the wind will continue to ramp up overnight across green country. With those overnight lows, we're down into the 40s, pretty close to the average for this time of year. Pretty colors out there for sure. The daytime high tomorrow only at 52 degrees. Those wind gusts upwards of 40 to 45 miles per hour, though some isolated spots could be touching 50 miles per hour tomorrow with those daytime highs into the 50s and again those morning wind chills into the 30s. 60 degrees on Thursday on that super 10-day forecast, mid 60s on Halloween after starting out into the upper 30s. Helping to plan your day tomorrow at lunch, 47 degrees and a lot of wind. And your extended forecast here over the weekend, we have 60s, overnight lows right around 40 degrees. And then for next week, 60s and 70s and lows will be warmer out of the 30s into the 40s and 50s.